At the time, it was hailed as a masterpiece of engineering. Today, it stands as one of the most fascinating, controversial, and misunderstood computers Apple has ever released. But why did a machine this powerful disappear from the Apple Store just 4 years later? Was it a massive success that paved the way for the future, or was it a beautiful, expensive mistake that Apple tried to sweep under the rug? To understand the truth, we have to go back to the moment Apple almost lost the professional market forever. To truly understand why the iMac Pro exists, you have to understand the absolute disaster that preceded it. In 2013, Apple released the redesigned Mac Pro. It was a sleek, polished, black aluminum cylinder that the internet quickly dubbed the trash can. It was a bold design, but it had one fatal flaw: its thermal core. Apple had bet heavily on a future where professional software would use dual, smaller graphics cards instead of one massive, powerful GPU. The industry went in the exact opposite direction, demanding massive, power-hungry single GPUs. Because of the trash can's tight, circular design, there was physically no room to upgrade it. For 4 long years, Apple couldn't update their flagship professional computer without it literally overheating and melting itself from the inside. Windows workstations were leaving Apple in the dust. Hollywood editors, 3D animators, and software developers were packing up their bags and leaving the macOS ecosystem. Apple was in a state of absolute panic. In April 2017, Apple did something virtually unprecedented. They called a small group of journalists into a room at their headquarters and publicly apologized. They admitted they had designed themselves into a thermal corner. They promised a brand new modular Mac Pro was coming, but confessed it would take years to build. They needed a stopgap. They needed a machine that could silence the critics, win back the pros, and prove that Apple still cared about raw, unadulterated power. That stopgap was the iMac Pro. When Apple officially unveiled the iMac Pro in late 2017, the tech world was stunned. On the outside, it looked like a standard 27-inch iMac. But Apple had painted it in an exclusive, brooding space gray. Even the accessories, the Magic Keyboard, the Magic Mouse, and the Magic Trackpad, were anodized in dark gray. In the Apple community, owning these accessories was the ultimate status symbol, because the only way to get them was to drop at least $4,999 on the iMac Pro. But the real magic wasn't the paint job. It was what Apple managed to squeeze inside a chassis that was only 5 millimeters thick at the edges. Inside this slim profile sat an Intel Xeon W processor, ranging from 8 cores all the way up to a mind-blowing 18 cores. To put that in perspective, this was server-grade silicon inside a desktop computer you could carry in a backpack. It supported up to 256 gigabytes of ECC memory. ECC stands for Error Correcting Code, a type of RAM that detects and corrects data corruption in real time. This is the kind of memory used in financial institutions and scientific laboratories where a single system crash could cost millions of